Hello. I have another book. What do you think it's about? I see apples, leaves, a tree, another tree with flowers, pine cones. What are these ones? Some acorns. It's about trees. Trees count. This is written by Trish Holland. Trees count. 1 trunk. What is a trunk of a tree? Like a trunk, an elephant's trunk? No, a trunk. That's the sturdy, the strong part of the tree. I am an oak tree, strong enough for fun. I can hold your tree house. Count my trunk. There is 1. 2. 2 seeds. Those are tree seeds. I am a maple tree. Seeds swirl down on you. Watch them spinning as they fall. Count the seeds. There are 2. Just like you see seeds in apples. Trees have seeds. I am a pecan tree. You can swing from me. Open up these fresh pecans. Count them. There are 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 pecans. 4 knot holes. See the holes? Those from the little knots in the tree. You see them sometimes. In the wood too, you can find them. I am an elm tree. See the elm tree? Squirrels build, and birds. They like to build their homes inside of me. Count my knot holes. There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 knot holes. 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. I am an aspen tree. Fall brings me alive. Heart-shaped leaves turn golden. Count my leaves. There are, how many were there? 5. 6 buds. You see them? The little flowers on the tree. 6. I am a dogwood tree. In winter, I'm just sticks, but blossoms burst in springtime. Count my buds. There are 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 7 cones. I am a pine tree, stretching to the heavens. Pick a pile of picnic cones. Count them now. There are 7. Oh, pine cones. Sorry. Those are little pine cones too. Sometimes I see really big ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cones. Pine cones. 8. 8 apples. I am an apple tree. You won't want to wait. Munch and crunch my tasty fruit. Count them. There are 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. What comes after 8? 9. 9 nuts. I am a walnut tree. Would you like to dine? Crack my shell wide open. Count them. There are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 nuts. What comes after 9? 10. I am a magnolia tree growing in a glen with blooms as big as pie platters. Count them, there are 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 flowers. What's that one? The walnuts from the walnut tree. Walnuts taste so fine. As you nibbled on them, did you count them? Nibble on them. Do you like nuts? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 walnuts. What was the other tree there was? An apple tree. I am the apple tree. Knew you couldn't wait when you ate my apples. Did you count them? Do you remember how many there were? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Did you remember? You remembered, huh? Oh, there's the pine cones. They look better in this picture, don't they? I am the pine tree, reaching for the heavens, picking prickly pine cones. Did you count? How many did you count? Did you see the pine tree down there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pine cones. The flowers. Do you remember how many there were? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am the dogwood tree, much more now than sticks. Buds turned into flowers. Did you count them? How many were there? 6. Yep. Do you see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am the aspen tree, in mountains where I thrive. All my leaves are shimmering. Did you count them? 5. What was this one? They had those knot holes, where the animals made their homes. How many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am the elm tree. Critters, bugs, and more crawl inside my knot holes. Did you count them? 4. Remember what those were? In the front of the book, they looked like acorns, but they weren't, They are pecans. I am the pecan tree, sturdy as can be, as you crunch the tasty nuts. Did you count? 1, 2, 3. I am the maple tree. My seeds spun and flew. Do you remember? There were 2. Now they've found my roots. Do you see the roots? Sometimes we can see them above the ground, but a lot of time the roots go way down under the ground. That's where they get all their water. They're like straws. Suck up all the water into the trunk. I am the oak tree, soaking up the sun when you climbed way up my trunk. Did you count it? How many? Do you remember the trunk? How many? 1. What is that? are many, many rings. Do you see them? That's what it looks like inside of the trunk of a tree. I am an old tree. I've seen many springs. Someday I'll be 100. Can you count my rings? It tells them as the tree grows, it makes the rings. You can tell how old it is. Let's see how old this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That tree is 17 years old. You can go to the forest sometimes and even see a humongous tree. How old do you think that one might be? Maybe 100, huh? How many is that? Whoa, there's some seeds. I don't know. Every tree grows from a seed. And here's a huge amount. How many is that? There could be 1,000,000. That's more than I can count. Look at that. 1,000,000 seeds. That's a lot of seeds. 10 trees. We are all the trees you've met, and we are so impressed. You can count to 10 and back, and counting, you're the best. Do you remember some of the trees? There was a dogwood tree, oak tree, aspen tree, the pine tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it. You counted to 10. Good job. If you listen very closely, can you hear a tree around? Can you hear one? Well, maybe not. But you can count them. From one trunk to 10 flowers. Count from 1 to 10 and back again. Thanks for helping me. See you soon.